Hello YouTube people. I'm gonna share some of my PR favorites with you today. I'm done shopping for everybody else. It's time I grab some things for me. So if you share the same sentiments, add these items to your cart. First up are these ATTLADY body shaper boy shorts for women on Amazon. As you can see, these have tummy control, thigh control, and it also helps with those back rolls. I must really love y'all because I'm showing y'all all my jelly. But I want to give y'all a visual of how it looks without and with it on. So I get a smoother appearance around the waist area and a slight lift with the butt. It also helps with chafing. There are 4 supporting cartilages to help strengthen the waist, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. These are made with a breathable nylon material, and in the crotch area it is cotton for hygiene. You can also wear it to the gym and work out in it. It's comfortable, they don't roll down. Definitely a must for me. Speaking of working out, ATTLADY has these high-waisted compression yoga leggings. These are quite similar to the shorts that I just showed you, but I feel like these are a little thicker in material and they're a little tighter. They have a little bit more tummy control. They have pockets on the side, 2 cartilage thingies in the front and in the back, just like the shorts. These were a little tight around the butt for me. Now these do slide a little bit. I can't say my tummy never rolled out once, so I definitely will still be wearing these again. So they fit, just the seam is just a little weird around the butt. I got a size 2X, that's the biggest size that they come in. I have to admit they don't fit as comfortable as the shorts, but I do still like them. You can also cut the length of these and there won't be any fraying if they're a little too long for you. So me and ATTLADY have partnered up to give away 10 pair of leggings or shorts to 10 lucky people. The first 10 people to email me at the email listed above will receive information on how to get a pair of the shorts or the leggings of their choice. Leave the comment at ATTLADY. Let me know you emailed me. The first 10 people will be getting that information. You can title the email giveaway, that way I know what it's pertaining to. Leave your YouTube username in the email, that way I know who you are. And next up are these cat-eye framed prescription sunglasses that I got from Firmoo. So the same prescription that you can get in your regular frames, you can get in sunglasses. I find these particularly helpful when I am driving. That way I can block those UV rays, block the sunlight, and still have my prescription for driving. I don't even think my camera is doing the color on these justice. It's such a pretty green olive color. These have a trendy yet classic feel to them, and I think they look good on any face shape. This is the second pair of prescription sunglasses that I got from Firmoo. I forgot to mention that both pair of these sunglasses have blue light blocking, so that's like the greenish blue tint that you see. That is going to help protect your eyes from blue light that can come from your electronic devices such as laptops and phones, as well as the sun. So this could help if you are really sensitive to light. It helps with eye strain. It could help relieve some headaches that you are getting related to eye strain. I love the way that these look in the sunlight. They remind me of looks similar to like what my husband has on here, but these have a more feminine aura to them. I love the polygonal details on the side. So I think these will look great if you have like a hard oval head shape like me. But don't take my word for it, go try them for yourself and make sure you use my coupon code LSGG50 and you'll get 50% off the frame. This next product is going to help keep those silk presses laid all winter long, and it's going to keep your head warm too. These are satin-lined beanies from Yanibest, and these are quality beanies at an affordable price. You can see I have a cream one here. These are just going to help prevent your hair from getting dried out, because I don't know if you ever wore cotton beanies, cotton scarf, or slept on like cotton pillowcases. They can really dry certain hair types out. So if you're trying to prevent that and you're trying to prevent the frizz in the wintertime while keeping your hair warm, I definitely would suggest these. And I forgot to mention I have a coupon code for the beanies as well. And thanks for watching. Bye.